Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I diagnose and possible repair the exhaust system on this 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA17. It is regard to the J brake or compression braking system or a turbo issue on this truck. Stay tuned, don't want to miss this one. So a couple days ago, I developed this problem where when the truck is building boost, I can hear a loud hissing sound, and also the turbo whistle gets very loud. It builds boost up to 20 psi, and when it does pass 20 psi, about 25 psi, it gets very loud. Also, when I apply the compression brake like level 1, it sounds as if the truck is straight pipe, and then level 2 it gets louder and louder, and I know on this truck it should be that case. Also, another issue that I also discovered while trying to diagnose the problem was that whenever I do a force regen, a park force regen, there is a lot of smoke escaping underneath the hood or bonnet of the truck, and I know that is not normal. So I've been diagnosing and looking around, and I'm going to show you guys what I found and probably is the problem. So let me go underneath the truck and show you what I found. So guys, I'm on the passenger side or the exhaust side, and I bought these hot side silicone intercooler piping clamp because I thought I was losing boost, but it turns out I was losing boost. So if you look right there, there is no clamp attaching the exhaust bellow or the flex pipe, and that's where I saw all the smoke coming from when I was doing a regen. So I think this may be the problem. I'm going to install it. I am currently at All Road Kenworth in Fort Lauderdale, and I got the clamp, the V-band clamp, and also the gasket. It was $34. Another observation that I saw as well on my scan tool, bringing it up right now, there was a inactive code for the NOx sensor. I know that the NOx sensor was recently replaced, and it should be the problem. So these are the parts that I got that may possibly fix my issue, and the cost for this was these are the part numbers, and that was the price. So let me go and install this clamp and see if that fixes the issue. I also will go on a test drive and I'll let you guys know what the outcome is. I got the new part installed. It should take like 5 minutes, and it just uses a 11mm. That's this guy right here. And to tell you the truth, guys, I thought I lost a turbo, so I started checking the price for turbos, and PDI has one for 7,000, and the OEM remanufacture from Kenworth is like 14,000. So I'm going to do a test drive and see if I fix the issue. Wish me luck. So guys, I did the test drive and it was successful, over 30 miles. J brake is working as it should. The boost is building all the way up to 31, 30 psi, and everything is okay. One thing though, when I park to do a part regen, the suit level was like 126%, but I got it down to like 18%. And the other code that I was telling you about, the knock sensor, it went away. So all in all, that exhaust clamp, V-band clamp, or a flex pipe clamp, and the exhaust gasket fix my issue, and I feel way better comparing to yesterday, because I was planning to buy a turbo and I was thinking that my engine went and I needed a new truck, and these new trucks are like between 150,000 200,000, and I was feeling down and sad and all of that. So I'm glad that the issue is fixed. So if you had found anything useful, anything valuable, you can leave a comment, suggest anything at all, and just let me know what you think. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.